Hi guys, welcome back to Miss Hendrick's video demo. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate mousse. Very simple recipe, but it'll be very tasty. So we'll start with mise en place. So you'll need a little bit of brewed coffee, which I have here. We'll need some chocolate. The recipe says bittersweet. I'm gonna use semi-sweet. It's really fine. We'll need some butter, sugar, vanilla, and then for our topping, we'll make just a simple whipped cream topping. So you'll need some heavy whipping cream, vanilla, and then more sugar. All right. Okay, first step is to melt in a double boiler your 6 ounces of chocolate, 6 ounces of butter, and your coffee. Now, what is 6 ounces of chocolate? Well, about 2 tablespoons is 1 ounce. So 2 times 6 is 12, and there's 16 tablespoons in a cup. So you're going to want about 3/4 of a cup. Okay, and we know that a stick of butter is how many ounces? 4 ounces. Says it right there. So we'll need 1.5 sticks of butter. And then finally, a 1/4 cup of your strong coffee. Okay. And we'll take this over to our double boiler. And you're going to want to stir constantly until the butter is all melted and the chocolate's all melted. Right, while your chocolate butter coffee is sitting on the double boiler, you'll start preparing the egg mixture. You'll need to separate 4 eggs. Now, the other day we found a contaminated egg, so it's very important that you guys use this 3-bowl system. One where you'll check the egg, check it for little blood pieces, and keep the shell out. 1 bowl for the yolk, 1 bowl for the white. I'm using the mixing bowl because I'm going to whip these egg whites up right after. So that was 1. Alright, so checking on my chocolate. It's almost there. There's just a few pieces of butter that still need to melt and mix in. I turned the heat down to medium because I really don't want to get this mixture too hot. It's just medium, a little slow boil underneath, and looks like it's just about there. So nice and smooth and beautiful chocolate there. All right, set this aside, but you will be using the double boiler again. So pause here. Okay, I have my egg yolks, and we'll add a 1/2 cup of sugar. Okay, this is just like a sabayon. Remember when we made the tiramisu? The sabayon, the egg yolks, and sugar. Okay, we'll return this to the double boiler and stir it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Can't see that. Okay. Until it becomes like a light yellow and all of the sugar granules have been incorporated into the sauce. So like 5, maybe 10 minutes is the max, but you know, you can check the color and the consistency and you'll know when you're done. So I've been stirring now for a good 5 minutes, and the color of my sabayon is a pale yellow. And if I look at the sides, I don't see any more granulars from the granulated sugar. At this point, I know that I am ready. So I'm going to turn the heat off and take this off the heat. Let's put a little towel underneath. Okay, and I'll add my vanilla. Just a touch, just for flavor, chocolate and vanilla. Vanilla goes in most things. Stir that in. And this we can set to the side while we prepare our egg white. In the mixing bowl, I'm using the whisk attachment. I'll whisk that until I get soft peaks, and then I'll add gradually 1 tablespoon of sugar. See you in a couple minutes. Okay, so that's about soft peak. Gonna slowly add your sugar. Without getting the tablespoon in there, that would be bad. And then keep beating until you get stiff peaks, or like medium stiff. Okay, so this is the right consistency that I want. There's definitely keep their hold, but they haven't turned quite glossy yet. I can still see a few holes there. This is perfect, so it's like just before you get to those stiff peaks. Now we just add all of our different mixtures together, starting with the egg, the sabayon into the chocolate. Got a nice stir. And lastly, you'll add your egg whites, but you want to fold these in very gently because all that air that you've just created, that aeration that you've created with the whipping of the whites, you don't want to lose that because mousse is nice and airy and fluffy. So what you'll do is you'll just fold, gently fold. It's not a harsh, vigorous mixture. You'll watch me do this. Let's get more in there. Okay. Doesn't look pretty right now, but it will be delicious. Now you'll fill your ramekins with your mousse. Okay. And these will need to go and set in the refrigerator for 2 hours or overnight, or if we're super impatient, we'll see, maybe 20 minutes. Okay, so my mousse has been setting in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And I made some whipped cream. Now you guys have made whipped cream before a few times in class. Cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla. Whip it up until you get stiff peaks. And there is your chocolate mousse. Hope you learned a lot from this video. Thanks for watching.